You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the name of this Hindu festival, this festivity that's actually taking place today? If you want to learn the alternative name, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. There are different pronunciations because there are different accents and dialects and languages in India. Let's start with the most common pronunciation in Sanskrit, and we'll have a look at English. Dussehra. Dussehra. Okay, so remember this one. Alternative pronunciations that also exist are as Dussehra, Dussehra, or Dussehra, or Dussehra. Dussehra, remember one pronunciation at least. Nobody can tell you this is not correct, because it is absolutely correct, even though it's not the only correct pronunciation. Remember this one. Dussehra, or in English, Dussehra. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.